Chapter 2. Friction is your friend. How to disrupt bad habits. Most people think they fail to break bad habits because they lack willpower. But science tells a different story. In reality, it's not about strength, it's about structure. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. It gets exhausted. It can't fight an easy habit again and again without eventually losing. That's why the real key to breaking bad habits is not stronger willpower. It's adding friction. If a bad habit becomes harder to do, your brain will automatically do it less. The power of friction. Friction means making the bad habit less accessible, less convenient, or less pleasurable. Here's a simple truth. If you make it harder, you kill it. Behavioral scientists have shown again and again that even small inconveniences can dramatically reduce bad behaviors. Examples. People eat less candy when the candy jar is moved just a few meters away. Office workers use stairs more often when elevators are slower or hidden. Smokers trying to quit succeed more when cigarettes are kept out of sight. Your brain is lazy by design. Even small barriers create just enough resistance for it to say, "Forget it." How to add friction to your bad habits. Here are powerful methods you can use immediately. Hide the triggers. Put junk food on the highest shelf. Turn off all notifications except essential ones. Add obstacles. Require a password to open addictive apps. Keep your phone in another room during work hours. Unplug your TV and hide the remote after 9 p.m. Make it socially awkward. Tell friends you're quitting. Commit publicly, e.g., "I'm not drinking this month." Every second of delay you create between the trigger and the action increases the chance that you will resist. How I applied it in my life. When I wanted to stop scrolling late at night, I tried everything. Self-promises, alarm clocks, even guilt. Nothing worked until I added friction. I started plugging my phone into the charger in the kitchen, not beside my bed. The result? No phone in my hand, no scrolling, better sleep. The habit broke itself because the trigger was gone. Why environment is stronger than willpower. One of the most powerful ideas in behavioral science is, environment beats motivation. If you surround yourself with temptations, even the strongest willpower will eventually fall. If you structure your environment to remove temptations, even the weakest willpower can win. You are not weak. You are human. Change your environment, change your habits, change your life. Reflection. Questions. What bad habit could you destroy today simply by making it more inconvenient? Which triggers are always in your face, tempting you? Action. Step. Choose one bad habit and create at least 2 layers of friction around it today. Example. Want to stop eating chips? Don't buy them. If you have them, lock them in a hard-to-reach cabinet. Want to stop YouTube addiction? Log out after every session and delete the app from your phone. Key insight. Willpower is your emergency power. Friction is your everyday defense.